Another one of our favorite dishes is the blackberry jalapeno glazed pork tenderloin. Love it for so many reasons. Whenever you can get that juxt of the tanginess of a blackberry, the heat of the jalapeno, and anything that's glazed, kids, families, everybody loves.
Blackberry preserves. My jalapenos, my garlic have really cooked down and fantastic smell. So I'm gonna go in with about a half cup of these blackberry preserves. And I've got some red wine here, a little Sonoma County's finest. Going with about a cup of that. I'll bring my heat up just a bit. And a brine is a real simple solution, usually some salt and some sugar, a little bit of heat, and in this case, it's gonna be a little red wine vinegar also. Now what's gonna happen with the brine is it kind of works as an osmosis inside of the liquid that's in the pork tenderloin itself, so it kind of exchanges some of the juices that are in the pork with this mixture.
So we'll cook that down similar to how we did the blackberry glaze.
Brings down the temperature. Let's grab that pork tenderloin. So we'll grab that, pop it into the bag. So we have a nice mixture. Don't want to dilute it too much. Pour it right on top of that pork. Seal it up. Take the excess air out. Only went about 20 minutes.
But we're gonna make this spicy glaze poured over the top of it.
And what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of cornstarch into this red wine. And this is gonna work as a thickening agent because it's just gonna start tightening up. It's starting to activate. So let it get a nice crust to it before I put any of this on. Otherwise, it'll just sit there and burn. We got it tightened up nice with a little bit of that cornstarch.
But again, big flavor. So you got spice, you got sweet, all on top of the pork tenderloin.
I'll sit here and baste this thing all day. I'm just gonna let it rest here for a second. It doesn't look great. So you got the blackberry preserves, the jalapenos, the garlic, red wine, cook the pork just to about 135. And so the brining is such a key piece to this because we're incorporating some great flavor and some more moisture into that. Not that the tenderloin really needs it, but it's just so fun to do and adds just that little extra kick of flavor and just a touch more glaze for me. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.